Hi, this is a quick review for Jordan's course, Make Money on YouTube Made Easy. It's a very thorough course. I've been through this course and it's a course that I definitely recommend. As you can see, this goes into from the introduction, getting you setting up your channel right, getting up your AdSense right. It goes into monetization, downloading, uploading. You can see the curriculum. This is taking you from the start to the finish. Choosing your niche, uploading. It goes into great detail. This you can take from start to finish and get a pretty good YouTube channel going with all the bases covered. Everything is here for you to make a successful YouTube channel. So I definitely recommend this course.